Watching your houseplants grow from small seeds to gorgeous, vibrant decor is an enriching and truly rewarding experience for any gardener. Long-living succulents are one of the most hardy, low-maintenance, and easy-to-grow plants ever. From their thick, fleshy leaves to the burst of flowers, these resilient plants are a visual delight. And here are the 8 succulents that can grow and thrive for over 50 years. But before that, welcome to my channel. 8 succulents can grow and thrive over 50 years. 1. Lithops. Lithops are popular house plants and many specialist succulent growers maintain collections. Seeds and plants are widely available in shops and over the internet. They are relatively easy to grow and care for if given sufficient sun and kept in well-draining soil. Lithops are succulents that look like colorful stones and pebbles have been kept around, and these too are pretty low maintenance. With minimal care, these grow and will continue to live for decades when grown with light water but plenty of direct sunlight. 2. Echeveria. Echeveria is another famous succulent that has colorful leaves and also the classic rosette shape as the Echeveria. This rosette-shaped succulent with thick, fleshy blue-green to silver-green leaves can be grown as a houseplant or as a garden plant. It grows up to 8 inches tall and 12 inches wide. They keep on producing new pups and leaves, and in the best conditions will do so for years. 3. Cactus varieties. Cactus varieties is a famous desert plant. The cactus too is a succulent and needs the bare minimum to survive, while in wild condition they grow for years. If at home, you will need to maintain them well to help them reach close to 50 years. 4. Century plants. Century plants is a beautiful succulent that looks similar to the snake plant but is much larger as the century plants. This one too is known to live for 30 to 50 years, in best conditions, and with right maintenance. 5. String of pearls. For a hanging basket, either indoors or outdoors, consider this trailing senecio variety with dangling stems of round leaves. It reaches a length of 3 to 5 feet if you let it grow. While this is a high-maintenance plant, as compared to other succulents, string of pearls is a beauty to look at. They are super specific about the soil type, are prone to rot, and thus need extra care. And the propagations from one plant that make it live for over 50 years. 6. Haworthia. Haworthia. A small, adorable succulent that grows well even in small pots is the Haworthia. The leaves grow in the shape of rosettes, and it lives for over 50 years when kept in the right conditions, with good soil, water, and ample sun. 7. Jade plants. The jade plant is a tropical moist evergreen shrub with oval, fleshy leaves ranging from yellow to dark green. Unlike many moist plants, this plant prefers slightly damp soil, thus proper watering is crucial to its health. If the jade plant begins to lose leaves, it may require more water, whereas yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering. With proper care, this durable plant can live for 50 to 70 years, making it one of the houseplants that last a lifetime and an excellent addition to any indoor garden. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a versatile and resilient plant known for its impressive longevity, often living for over 50 years with proper care. Renowned as a low-maintenance houseplant, it thrives in warm environments with dry soil, making it suitable for various indoor settings. To ensure its continued growth, regular pruning is recommended, along with placing it in bright sunlight and watering it every day or two. Aloe vera has a rich history of medicinal use dating back to at least the 1st century and is affectionately called the plant of immortality for its ability to flourish even without soil. Succulents surge in popularity among boomers and millennials alike, as due in part to economic realities. As housing prices continue to climb, more people find themselves renting or moving frequently, and investing in expensive decor doesn't make sense when you don't see yourself in your home or apartment for several years. Succulents, in contrast, are cost-effective, easy to propagate, and some of the hardiest houseplants around. They offer an easy way to brighten up your home, and most will continue to thrive even when put through a cross-country move. Thank you for watching. All in all, growing succulents can be super fun and quite a learning experience. Try it out and let us know how it goes for you in the comments. Until next time, to God be the glory.